I thought I've done every photo audit app, but I found a new one. It's called Hetail Retail. And the difference between this one and other ones like Field Agent and Mobi is it looks like I have to take videos. Instead of taking 4-foot section photos, I think it wants me to take a video of the whole aisle. So it should be easier. And these ones pay $10 compared to the 3 to 5 for Field Agent. So if it's legit, this could be a great side hustle. So I'm going to wear my meta glasses, show you exactly how it goes, and we'll decide if this is a good side hustle. So this is what the app is going to look like. You'll see the apps in your area. I think you could only reserve one at a time. And that's all I was able to do. So now once you find the gig, if you're at the store, it'll let you begin. I tried to open it at my house to see what it looked like, but it doesn't let you open it until you're at the store. And then there's one product, a small little information, and that's it. So let's give this a go. I'm not 100% sure what I have to do, but let's get. So I was really excited when I downloaded this app because one, there was a bunch of gigs by my house at stores that I'm used to doing gigs at. I do gigs at this Walmart store almost every day for Field Agent and Mobi. But then I was less excited when I opened the app, reserved it, and saw how many sections I'm going to have to do. There was like 20 different sections. It kind of reminds me of the Observa multi-category gig where it's just like a whole bunch of different questions and takes forever. Now, this one, the difference is you have to take videos, not pictures. There's not very much instructions. It just says take a straight on video of the whole section. It does not specify if I needed to do the top and the bottom of the shelf, which would be a problem because there's no zoom. It doesn't let you zoom in or out of your camera, which is a feature that I use in Field Agent almost every gig because the aisles are narrow. So I'm going to try to get the top and bottom, but I'm not sure if it's going to get approved this way. So I'm finding the first section, and then you're going to press record, and then you're going to like kind of do a side step and take a straight on recording nice and slow. So if you go too fast, there was like a meter that like says you're going too fast. So I had to slow down a couple of times. So I'm getting the whole thing from top to bottom. It didn't tell me to do 4-foot sections, didn't tell me anything I'm used to with the other apps, but it just told me one product, one sauce product to be on the lookout for, whatever that means. And I just am assuming that I have to press record and then side step. So hopefully I could bang these out really fast and it doesn't take too long. It's already a little bit too long that I've been in Walmart. I usually like to get in and out of and do these gigs in like 5 to 10 minutes, but this one seems like it's going to be long, which I don't mind. If this app is going to have consistent $10 gigs, I could do 5 of them a day and make an extra $50 or whatever. There doesn't seem to be that many gigs, but the ones nearby are $10. A lot of new apps will start with really high pay, and then when a lot of people sign up, they'll start lowering it. That's what happened with a bunch of the apps that I did. So now it's the juice section. So you do stand out a little bit more, I feel like, when you're taking a video than when you take the pictures. My strategy when I'm taking the pictures for Field Agent is to do a side step and just press the photo button. But for this, you just are pressing record and you're like scanning the whole aisle. I'm not sure if it was a better way to do it. I'm sure Field Agent or Mobi would, but they never asked for videos before, or maybe this is the new way that they're going to do it. So it's good to start doing these ones. Now I had to do the soda, and now it was 2 aisles long. So it was the Coke products on the back wall and then the Pepsi products. So that one took a little while, kind of boring. So I'm going to fast forward it. Now's the part that I was a little bit worried about. And this is in like the pharmacy department for these vitamins. So it didn't say I needed the top and bottom, but there is no zoom. So it's really frustrating me that I can't zoom out. And I'm just going to get like the middle of it. So I'm just going to turn my camera on and get the middle of it. And that was it. So I did it. It took pretty long, took about 20 minutes, which for $10, that's borderline. My honest opinion is I don't like it. I'm going to wait for this one to get approved and then maybe think about doing other ones. And if you want to see the other similar apps that I do every day, check out this video over here.